Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Kassie. Today I am doing a very exciting video. I am finally doing my first collaboration video, and it is with the lovely Silah Mae. We have gotten so close here on YouTube lately, and I just love her to death. We've been talking about this collaboration for a while, so I'm very excited to be getting this video up for you guys. So what we decided to do was collaborate using the same palette but doing two different cut creases. So I will do this more dramatic full-length cut crease, and she will be doing another style of a cut crease on her channel. So go ahead and check out her video. I will leave all of her information and her video linked down below in the description box, as well as everything else that I am using on my face. Today I am just running through the video. I wanted the focus to be on the eyes because that's what the collaboration is about. So the palette that we are using in our collaboration is none other than the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Believe it or not, I have had this palette since they launched it, and I have yet to touch it. Before I get started, I do want to say very quickly, if you aren't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, join my little ohana that I have here, and don't forget to like this video and comment down below with any future suggestions or questions. If you guys want to see the look that I created, then just keep on watching, and don't forget to click in the description box below and check out Silah's look that she created with this palette. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right on into the video.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, cause I know then you'll see you can be true, you can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. Feels all, it makes it all alright. In time, my heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. You feel so right, you feel so right.